No one told us that life was going to be this way. I know you feel like you're stuck in the 2019-20 school year. It hasn't been our day, our week, our month, or even our year. You can't stay in bed till 10 because our school starts at 7:57. Your teachers are up and ready to start. Things are going to be great. Our mothers warned us there'd be times like this when the world knocks us down to our knees. But it will still be great because we're the KJHS Whippet family and we will be there for you. Hello, I'm Jackie McWayne. I'm the principal of Kosciusko Junior High School, and I want to welcome you to our new but different school year.
Hey guys, I'm Macy Wilbanks. I'm an assistant principal here at the junior high. We look so forward to having all the students here at school this year and can't wait to see them.
Thank you, Officer Snowbanks. I am Glenn Stevens, assistant principal at Kosciusko Junior High School, and I also look forward to seeing you as soon as you come back. And in the meantime, good luck and Godspeed.
And I'm Logan Cheek. I'll be joining everyone here as the lead teacher. I can't wait to see everybody. Have fun.
Hello, I'm Pacey Reagan, the counselor at Kosciusko Junior High. We're all looking forward to a bright new school year.
Good morning. We are your one and only Kosciusko Junior High secretaries. My name is Miss Huffman.
And I'm Miss Kyle. We're here to take care of your needs.
Don't worry, we will always be here for you.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Wood. I'm the librarian.
I got a question.
Hi, I'm Miss Browning. Hi, I'm Miss Skidmore, and we're going to be teaching 6th grade math. Yay!
I'm Miss Allen. And I'm Miss Ellard, and we'll be teaching 6th grade ELA this year.
Hey, I'm Miss McClellan.
And I'm Miss Trussell.
And we teach 6th grade science. We can't wait to see you.
I'm Coach Autry.
And I'm Miss Dean.
And we teach 6th grade history.
And we're looking forward to seeing you.
I'm Tessa Horn, Cyber Foundations 1 teacher.
What's up, y'all? I'm Coach Sanders, and I teach Cyber Foundations 1 and PE.
Hey, I'm Coach Briscoe. I do junior high boys PE.
And hey, I'm Coach Faulkner. I have girls PE.
I'm Miss Albritton, and I teach 6th grade tutorial.
Hi, I'm Miss Manus, and I teach 6th grade SED.
Hey, I'm Miss Shash. I teach 6th grade tutorial and SED.
My name is Miss Harthcock, and I'm the SLP here at the junior high.
Hi, I'm Jason Howard. This is Roderick Howell and James Long, and we are the band directors.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Bingham and I teach Quest. Can't wait to see you.